Today we're going to take a dive into the Blue Ridge Overland Gear Tool Bag Christmas Edition. Normally this bad boy holds everything you need for trailside repairs. Right now it's loaded up with everything you need to make it through the holiday. First off, this place leaves a little more holiday cheer. How about 8 feet of lit garland and lights? That's better, but we still need more Christmas. Got just the thing. Nothing says Christmas like mountain pine. Last minute wrapping emergency? We've got you covered. Bags, scissors, tape. Let's double up on Christmas spirit by giving some ornaments as gifts. After all the hard work of wrapping gifts, I think we deserve some hot chocolate. Now we get it. It can be a stressful time, so we've included a little buddy to help you get through those moments. And we can't forget one of the most important Christmas traditions, cookies for Santa. So that's how we kit out a Blue Ridge Overland Gear tool bag to get ready for Christmas. Thanks for watching.